Hi guys, my name is Belinda May and I'm here to share you my top 3 quotations. First, live life to the fullest. Whenever I see this quotation, the word YOLO is the first thing that came in my mind. You only live once. So, living life to the fullest is one of the best thing because not everyone are given a chance to enjoy their life. But for me, as a teenager, I am able to do these things. I was able to enjoy my life because I have enough time, enough strength, and enough money. But not just only for the teenagers, but also for the others. They need to enjoy whatever they had because we only live once. We can never go back or we can never repeat our life or we can only have it once. So we need to enjoy and we need to maximize our time. We need to enjoy with our family, with our friends, and so whatever. So live life to the fullest is one of my best quotations. Then no pain, no gain. No pain, no gain. Whenever I see this quotation, the word success is the first word that came in my mind. Because if you really want something, you need to work hard for it. Because without perseverance, you can never easily get what you want. So I think no pain, no gain is really one of the best quotations. Then, last but not the least, every day may not be good, but there's something good in every day. Actually, my professor told me this quotation, and it really inspires me because I have I am so moody. I have mood swings. There's a lot of things make that makes my day ruined or bad. So whenever I see this, I can I can think that yes, there's something good in every day. Whenever how bad or how unlucky you are that day, you need to see the good side of the day because not not all not all the things that happen to you are just bad things. There are also good things that happen. We just need to appreciate it. Then, yon. That's my top 3 quotations and I hope you like my top 3 quotations. Sorry for the wrong grammars and thanks for watching, sir. Have a good day.